So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your Justdial leads to monday.com like this. This can be really helpful for you. You don't have to enter the lead details manually in your monday.com. As soon as a new lead from Justdial will come in, automatically the details will be added in monday.com like this. And further, your sales team can contact this lead and update the status right over here only. You can have a proper track of all the leads. So to create this automation, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for Justdial and select it. For the event, select it as new leads and click on this connect. Now it is giving me the webhook URL using which we're going to create a connection between Justdial and Pabbly Connect. So to automate the lead capture, copy the webhook URL and configure it in your Justdial account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from Justdial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your Justdial account because Justdial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out the backend team of Justdial and ask them to add this webhook URL. I have already added this webhook URL in my Justdial account. So let's capture the webhook response, which is the details of my lead right over here. So now you can see we have successfully captured the details of our lead. You're going to see the first name, the last name, the phone number, the email and the company name. Now I'm just going to add these details in monday.com. So to do this, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for monday.com and select it. For the event, we're going to select it as create item and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between monday.com and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking me for the token. So to get this token, open your monday.com account, go on the profile picture, then go towards this developers. Once you come on the developers, you have to wait till it's getting load and then go towards this API token. Over here is your API token, so copy this API token and paste it right over here. After pasting this, click on this save and your monday.com account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And after creating this connection, it is asking me to select the board. So as you can see, I want to add the details over here in this lead details board. So I'm just going to select the same, and for the group, I'm going to select it as Justdial. So as you can see, I've successfully selected it right over here. Now you have to make sure that you select this according to your own board or your own group name. Alright, now let's move on further one by one. I'm just going to enter all of these details. First of all, it is asking me for the item name. So for the item name, I'm just going to keep it as new lead from Justdial. You can change it according to your own choice. You can keep it as new lead and then the name of the lead or something like this. It totally depends upon you. Now it is asking me for many other details. So we will map these details one by one. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one, we will map all of these details. So first of all, let's map this name. So I'm just going to look for name and map this name right over here. Now it is asking for the status. So let's enter this status. So over here, I am not mapping the status because I want the status to be static and to be same as working on it. Further, if my team works on it, they will update it directly from monday.com. I'm just going to keep it as working on it as default for all the leads. I'm just going to map this email now. So I'm just going to look for email and map it. Once again, let's map this email, and now for the company name, let's look for the company name and map it. Now for the name, look for the name and map it right over here. Now let's map the phone number, and after mapping all of these details, click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our monday.com. So let's open our monday.com, and as you can see, the details have been added, be it the name, be it the email address, the company name, the phone, or the status. Everything is added right away. Further, if my team works on it, they can change it to done or something like this right over here. Totally depends upon my team. And yes, with this we have successfully added the lead details in monday.com, and now this is very beneficial for my sales team because they are going to get instant details of the lead. Whenever we receive the lead details from Justdial, instantly the details will be added in monday.com, so they can get instant access of all the lead details without any manual intervention. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this amazing automation for your own business too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.